Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Murzet. I'm from Physical Education, Health and Recreation International class. Okay everyone, in this presentation, we will discuss about athletic. Athletic definition. Etymologically, the term athletic comes from Greek, namely from the word athon, which means race or contest. Referring to the word athletic, the definition of athletic is a competition in certain sports which includes walking, running, jumping, and throwing. Type of athletic sport. Brisk. Brisk walking is a very common athletic sport. Race walking is usually held on the road or running track. Typical distance for race walking range from 3,000 meters to 100 kilometers. Brisk walking is different from running because one foot must always appear to be touching the ground. The leg that is moved forward must be straight from the first contact with the ground until the body reaches a vertical position. Run this Run short distance. Short distance run is one of the athletic sports that requires participants to run as fast and as hard as possible if they want to win a competition. The short distance running distance are 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters. Middle distance running is a sports activity carried out by running distance of 800, 1,500, and 3,000 meters. This running sport requires participants to be able to regulate speed, stamina, and breathing while running. Long distance running. Long distance running is one of the running events that requires runners to have a lot of stamina and speed in running. Distance of 5,000 meters and 10,000 meters. Relay running. A relay race is one of the running events where several runners in one team will run alternately or in relays. Hurdles. Hurdle running is a type of fast running skill. A fast running skill while passing strokes, obstacles, or goals at a certain height. Discus throw. The discus throw is one of the athletic competition events in which a wooden object in the shape of a plate with an iron belt or other flat material is thrown. Javelin. Javelin throwing is one of the athletic sports which is done by throwing a spear-like device called a javelin as far as possible and using good and correct technique. Throwing hammers. Hammer throwing is a competition of strength for athletes in throwing hammers to get the furthest distance. Shot put. Bullet throwing is pushing a ball made of iron or cement as far as possible using good and correct technique. Triple jump. The triple jump is a triple jump or can be called a triple jump because the jumper has to do a hop, step, and jump movement. Long jump. Long jump is a sport that requires athletes to jump forward in an effort to carry the center of their body weight as long as possible in the air or floating in the air. This exercise must be done quickly when pushing off one leg to reach as far as possible. Pole vault. Pole vaulting is jumping as high as possible with a tool in the form of a stick. High jump. High jump is sport that requires athletes to jump upwards by lifting their legs up in front of them in an effort to bring the center of their body weight as high and as quickly as possible. Athletic equipment required. Run. Spikes and starting blocks. Long jump. Spikes, sand block, sand measuring, and leveling tools. High jump. Spikes, mat, and high jump pole and bar. Shot put. Bullets and measuring tools. Javelin. Javelin a javelin body, javelin rope, measuring tool, not set. Discus throw. Discus or disc marking flags, measuring tool, not set. Background to the formation of PASI. The athletic organization in Indonesia is PASI, which has the abbreviation name All Indonesian Athletic Association. The organization that oversees athletic was formed in Semarang. To be precise, on September 3, 1950. Currently, Pasi is 73 years old. The formation of Pasi occurred several years after Indonesian independence. Thus, the existence of Pasi is closely related to the development of athletics in Indonesia during colonialism. Athletics began to spread in Indonesia by becoming a subject matter in secondary schools, precisely around 1910. Until now, Pasi is active in policing Indonesian athletes who will compete in national and international events in all categories of athletic competition, starting from tracks number and to field numbers. Pasi also continues to strive to actively accompany athletes in their mission to achieve athletic achievement. Rules in athletics. Long distance running. The distance for this sport is 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, or distance above 10 kilometers. Generally, long distance running uses a standing start. Start running. The distance of this sport is 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters. Generally, long distance running uses a squat start. Relay run. The relay button will be handed over the next runner in the changing arena. Generally, the relay numbers that will be contested are 4 by 400 meters and 4 by 100 meters. High jump. The length of the bar for the high jump is 3.98 meters to 4.2 meters, and the cross section of the bar has a round shape and a flat surface. Long jump. The track starting from the long jump is at least 1.22 meters width and 45 meters long. The length of the rejection board is 1.22 meters width 20 centimeters. Pole vault. The running track the running track of the pole vault is 45 meters to 147 meters. It next from the starting point to the pole vault box. Fast walking. In this race, the race number for men are 20 and 50 kilometers for men and 10 kilometers for women. Throwing the discus. The discus has a diameter of 220 millimeters and weighs 2 kilograms for male participant. Hammerhead jump. Hammerheads weigh 7.26 Hammerheads weigh 7.26 kilogram and are 12.3 centimeter long for male participant and 4 kilogram and 194.4 centimeter long for female participant. Javelin throw. The length of the javelin is 2.6 meters to 2.7 meters and a minimum weight of 800 grams for male participant, and for female participant the length of the javelin is 2.2 meters to 2.3 meters and a minimum weight of 600 grams. Shot put. Iron ball weight 5 kilograms to 7.257 kilograms for male participant and 3 kilograms to 4 kilograms for female participant.